MissCarly. So today we're gonna get inspired by this really fun top bun wig right here. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down here as well as the little bell so you are notified when I upload videos every single week. So this wig is from Kalyss right here, and I'm so excited to give this one a try as I absolutely love the top bun trend. So this one is literally ready to go. There's no struggling with the top bun, which is something I normally do. So let's just take a look at this gorgeous girl. So she comes in the color of black only, and I'm actually really excited because I don't have a lot of black wigs, and I used to have long black hair for 3 years, so it's gonna be a little bit of reunited, and it feels so good. So as we're looking at her, she is gorgeously curled, like optimal volume. I cannot wait to lightly brush her out and see the kind of like Shaka Khan kind of hair she's gonna give us. I absolutely love it. And then also with that, she does have some medium layers right here. And with the actual density, she actually feels really good and not aggressive. So I definitely feel like this is gonna not be super heavy on your head, especially with the curls. And then of course, the main focus of this wig is of course this gorgeous bun top. I mean, look how great that is. So with that bun top, it actually has, let's just go right into size so you can see what's going on here. So she actually has like a 3-way parting, which is really cool. So kind of takes the guesswork on where you want to part it, if you want to flip it side to side, down the middle. And then as you can see at the top, she has, I feel like, the perfect amount of baby hairs already like cut for you, which is amazing. So with the actual construction, so she does have medium tone lace right here. She does have a lot of clips due to all of this parting. So she has 2 little clips right here up in the front. She has 2 more clips right here on the side, or comb, and then she has 1 big comb at the bottom. And then she does have a medium wig cap. So if you require a large head friendly wig, she may work for you. She isn't like crazy stretchy, but she does have a little bit of stretch if you need like a medium large cap right here. All right, so let's put this girl on. So she does come with 2 wig caps, so as soon as she arrives, you are ready to go. But I'll be using a nude wig cap that I got from Amazon. I got a 10-pack for $5.99, and I put my wigs on front to back. And wow, look at this volume. I'm just loving it so much. I mean, every once in a while, I just want to have some crazy volume in my life. So let's take a look at the hairline really quickly. So she does have, of course, she's plucked out, but definitely she does need a little bit of plucking if you want to live your best wig life ever, but it is not bad at all. Of course, the parting plucking I feel is perfect, so absolutely gorgeous there. All right, so now let's cut off the lace and see what we're working with. Now I'm gonna take this wig brush right here, which is a little bit different than I normally use. It has more of these kind of loops, which I feel will be best for these curls. So let's just brush her out. And hello, voluminous curls right here. Like, she is a stunner for volume, like absolutely. And I just love how light she feels on my head. She's not heavy at all. So definitely perfect for summertime, absolutely. And I'm not gonna take down this bun as much as I want to, you know, play with like giving her that massive volume per side as the examples give, because I forgot to mention in the very beginning, but I will be giving this very wig away to one very lucky viewer. And then also, this wig is heat safe, so if you do want to heat modify her, you absolutely can, no issues there. Now, in order for you to win this very wig right here, I need you to first like this video and then add this emoji down below in the comments. All the instructions, of course, are down below, including this other wig brush that I did use. So again, this wig is from Kalyss right here. Definitely check it out. Really, really fun. I love working with this company. They have beautiful wigs and wig styles and colors that I have not seen before. So let me know if you have this wig or if you have a favorite top bun wig. I would seriously love to see you rocking these wigs out. So reach out to me on Instagram. That is a great way for you to send me photos of you and your wigs and your makeup looks and whatever you're up to, because I love hearing from you. So thank you all for reaching out. And of course, remember, it is your right every single day of your life to be as fabulous as you want to be. And if you feel fabulous in this voluminous top bun wig, wear it, love it, and own it. I want to thank you